You want to know how to diagnose a Prius head gasket? At least years 2010 to 2015. If it shakes for about 10 to 20 seconds in the morning or right when you start it up, and then it clears out, drives perfect, and you have a code for P0301, then it's a head gasket every time.
Every time it's a head gasket. And you're losing coolant.
Yeah.
Where it fails is always the number one cylinder. Every single time. It's right there.
Right there.
Yeah, number 1, 2, 3, 4. P0301 code. Shakes for about 20 seconds when you first start it up after sitting for a few hours. It's going to be a head gasket. It's always a head gasket. And when I say always, I mean it's always a damn head gasket. Thank you for the work, Toyota.